If you're looking to use an AI agent to send personalized cold emails or manage repetitive email replies, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you how to make your AI agent send emails using the Zapier plugin on TypingMind. Let's get started. You can break it down into 3 simple steps. First, create the workflow in the Zapier app. Next, set up the connection in TypingMind. Finally, let your AI agent send emails with ease. All right, first, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Zapier acts as the middleman to process and send the data your AI generates to the email recipients. Once you're on the homepage, click on Explore Apps, then select Webhooks by Zapier. Click Connect Webhooks by Zapier, and now we're ready to start building the Zap flow. First, we need to configure the trigger. For the trigger event, select Catch Hook and then click Continue. At the Configure step, you don't need to change anything. Just leave it as it is and hit Continue. At the Test step, click Test Trigger. Since we haven't added any actions yet, just skip the test for now. But before that, make sure to copy the webhook URL here, as we'll need it later to set things up in TypingMind. Next, it's time to add an action. Click to add a new action and choose the Gmail app. For the action event, there are several options to pick from. In this case, I'll choose the Send Email event. Click Continue. In the Configure step, there are 3 key fields you need to fill out: to, subject, and body. To make it dynamic so TypingMind can send the email, use the following. Enter email for the to field, subject for the subject field, and content for the body field. For testing, I'll enter my personal email in the to field for now. After the test, you'll need to go back and change it to email again to make it work dynamically. Subject for subject and content for body. All right, let's click Continue. Next, click the test step to check if the Zap is working properly. All right, now I'm going to check my personal email inbox. And here it is. It works. Okay, now let's move to your TypingMind Chat Instance Admin dashboard. Just a quick note, I'm doing this demo using TypingMind Teams. The personal version can't use this Zapier plugin because of a CORS issue since TypingMind Personal runs locally from your own browser. All right, back to the admin dashboard. Click on the Plugins section. Click Browser Plugins. You'll see a list of plugins here. Find and install the Send Email with Zapier plugin. Once it's installed, click the plugin again. Paste the webhook URL you copied earlier from the Zap flow into the provided field. Then click Save. All right, now that we've saved the webhook URL, click Edit on the plugin. Scroll down and check the box for Add Test Variables. Here, all you need to do is input a real email address and your Zap webhook URL to test if the request to Zapier works. Leave the other fields as they are. Then click Send Test Request. And there you have it. The endpoint test is successful. Next, go back to the Zapier app. Click on Step 1, Webhooks by Zapier, and move to the test step. Here, we need to check if the request we just sent shows up. It might take a few seconds, so you can click Find New Records to refresh. There it is, Request B. Click on it, and you'll see the values we just sent within the request. Now, click Continue with this record. All right, cool. Now we're on Step 2 to reconfigure the values for the webhook. At the Configure step in the To field, click the plus icon. This will bring up the dynamic values from the catch hook in webhooks. Select the email field for to, the subject field for subject, and the content field for body. Once that's done, click Continue, skip the test, and then publish your Zap. All right, all done now. Next, you just need to create an AI agent that can use this Zapier plugin. Head back to your TypingMind instance. In the AI Agents section, create a new AI agent. I'm creating a cold email expert, and I'll do it quickly by using the Generate button for the description and instructions. I want it to use the latest GPT-4o model. For the plugins, I enable the Send Email via Zapier plugin. All right, all done. Now click Create. Now let's chat with the agent. Go to the main page, select the Cold Email Expert agent. I ask it to send an email to wish a customer a Happy New Year and introduce the new product. Let's see if it works. All right, it sends me a draft first. Smart move. A quick tip here. If you want the AI to know who you are, what role or position you hold, just click Profile and input your info there. This way, you don't have to explain who you are every time you chat with it. All right, I ask it to send the email now. You can see Zapier is running now. The AI agent said it sent the email. Looks like everything is working fine. Let me check if I've received the email. Voila! The email is in my inbox now. Amazing. You can also upload a list of contacts you want to send emails to. For example, I upload a CSV file here. Then I ask the AI agent to send an email about the New Year gifts I want to send to my customers. It always sends a draft first to make sure everything looks good. Then I ask it to send the email, and you can see here it can handle multiple email sending requests at once. Really cool, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Happy typing, and see you in the next video.